Alright, welcome to this video. I figured it was about time for me to do another video. I just realized that my channel got 100 subscribers, which is pretty good. Haven't done a video in a while. I have a big lack of time lately, but I'm still picking a lot. A few minutes here and there. But let's do a video now. So I'm going to pick one of these challenge locks. What have we got here? It is a Yale. It says don't rotate. Oh, Bill Bacardi. Great. Let's do that. I don't think I've ever picked the Bill Bacardi lock on what number? Usually he numbers these things. Number 57. There we go. Bill Bacardi's number 57. Yale Keyway. Let's try to, okay, let's see the bidding. Oh, pretty nasty. That thing works really well. Let's try to see what we can do with this. So I'm gonna go with a 15,000 on Yale Keyways. Usually is a lot better. Nothing on one. Good. That's number 3. Give me a click. Oh, there we go. I got a good false head with bid number 4. Number 1 gives me counter rotation. Got a click, but that was not really satisfying because I didn't get my false head back. So I'm gonna go back to pin 4. There you go. Whoa. What the heck happened? That's strange. Let's try it again. That's not my experience with Bill Bacardi's locks, because I got another one on hand that I've never been able to pick. Like, never. So I got my full set. A little click on pin 1. That's what I thought, and it's not that easy. I guess I was lucky the first time around. Okay, counter rotate on 1 again. Yeah, I guess I was really lucky. Here, got a lot of counter rotation. Number 2. Almost like nothing's happening in the back. Okay, pin 1 gave me that little click that I got earlier. Got my full set back from the back. Okay. Okay, full set. Man, was I like really lucky the first time around? That's how it is sometimes with challenge locks. You got one of these tricky pins that's going to give you a real hard time, but if you're lucky, you just pick it when it's not its time. Okay, maybe I should have kept this one open when I did the first time. I'm going back and forth between counter rotation and full set, but nothing is really definitive there. It always, every time I pick one of those counter rotation, it don't feel super clear if it's set or not. Okay, now I got big full set, bigger than before. There's pin 1. Got a little bit of the full set back, but not as much as what I had. Okay, that thing puts more of a fight all of a sudden there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay, so maybe the first time around I was just darn lucky, go figure. Okay, let's get this thing. So, Bill Bacardi's number 57. I'm glad I could pick one of his locks because he's really one of the big providers on there. So I got the keys. I'm just going to lock it back up. Get that clipped out of the way. Try to fit the shim in the room. Careful. Okay, so what do we got here? I see T-pins. Right, number 1 and number 5. Let's drop these things. See what they look like. So again, we got a T-pin there. We got a standard pin. We got a double spool or serrated standard pin, and some kind of a torpedo. So we got threading and that's 5, threading in 5, and counter milling in 1. I'll show you what the pins look like later. Get some tweezers. Okay, we got a spool. Let me get the spring out. Different types of springs. I don't know if this thing has been put back together the wrong way, because all the pins seem in the reverse order, in my opinion anyway. I'm going to show you exactly how I found them, but that could explain why this lock was easy. Somehow I feel like these pins were upside down. So this is how I found them. So this is standard, but see the how should I say that? The active elements like this would have been a lot more effective if it would have been on the other side. This would have been more effective on the other side, and this would have been more effective on the other side. Hey Bill, if you see this video, just let me know, but I think these pins should have been inserted the other way. So just to make this lock justice, I think I'm gonna put them in the other way and try to do another video, because I think this log should have been a lot harder than it was. So, but anyway, I'll put it back together, try to do another video, and you know what, maybe I won't even be able to open it, and you're never going to see the other video. Who knows? Alright guys, thanks for watching.